I bet you can't guess what number we're going to be talking about today with Mrs. Green. The number 10. And we all know that when we put up all of our fingers, we have 10 fingers. So we're going to talk about all the different ways that we make 10. Let's go through a bunch of them that we already know how to do. We know how to do tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be the tally marks. Now we could do the word. T-E-N is 10. We could do the 10 frames, which would be fun because if we have a 10 frame and we'd have to mark 10 in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We would fill it all the way up. We could do dice because we know if we have 2 dice, just like our hands, if we have 5 on one side, we're going to need 5 on the other side because we know 5 and 5 makes 10. Oh, well, that means that we could do addition problems, and there's so many ways to make 10 with our addition. So I'm going to kind of show you a few here. I am going to write my number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write all of those on my circle map because I'm going to tell you something that's really fun. Then I'm going to put plus marks after all of my numbers. Plus signs, because we can add all different numbers to these to make 10. Now, if I have 0 and I need to add something to it to make it be 10, what could I add to 0? 0 is nothing. So I'd have to go counting on from 0, be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'd have to add 10 to 0. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. If I have 1 plus some number, what would it have to be? Let's see. 1, let's count on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now, let's see if we're starting to see any kind of pattern here. Let's keep watching this. Now we want to find 2 plus something. So let's say we have 2. We're going to count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many more do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, let's start to look at this pattern. This is 0, 1, 2. Now, that's going up. The numbers are going up. Let's check these numbers. 10, 9, 8. These numbers are going down. Let's check these. These stayed the same. So what we are doing is seeing a pattern happen here. So let's look at this. 3. What would you think would be the number that would come next? 10, 9, 8, 7. We're counting backwards. So let's double check and count from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more did we need? 7. So our pattern is working correctly. Okay, what's the number that's before 7? 6. What's the number that's before 6? 5. What's the number that's before 5? 4. See how we're counting backwards? What's the number before 4? 3. What's the number before 3? 2. The number that's before 2, 1. And what is the number that's before 1? 0. So if we go through and add all these up, I bet you they're going to come out to 10. So let's go through and do that together. Let's do 4 plus 6. So if we have 4, let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, here's 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. We already know 5 plus 5 equals 10 because we have 5 fingers and 5 fingers, so that makes 10. If we have 6 and 4, if we already have 6, let's count on to make 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, that's 10 as well. I want you guys to finish doing these and see if you get 10 all the way down. These would be called our 10 friends. And they're so cool because if we can remember all the ways that we can make 10, if we memorize them, it's going to make math be so much easier for you, especially when you start getting up into adding bigger numbers. All right, boys and girls, keep making 10. Talk to people about 10 all day long today. Have a wonderful day.